This math problem will forever change your view on secant lines. Our problem says, find the equation of the secant line connecting f of -4 and f of 3 of the following function. Go ahead and attempt this problem on your own before we work on it together. Okay, there's a lot going on here. We have to turn this somehow into the form y equals mx plus b. Well, sort of. Yes, we do want to get into the form y equals mx plus b, but it's not turning this line into y equals mx plus b. We're just trying to find the average rate of change, as well as any up or down motion accompanied by connecting these 2 points together. So let's not get too ahead of ourselves though. We're given 2 values. First, we need to find f of -4. And if we plug in -4 into our equation, we get a value of 27. Now we're also going to find f of 3. And in doing so, we get a value of 6. Now it may not look like it, but these 2 things actually tell us critical information. We plugged in a value of -4 and got 27. Input, output, what does that tell us? Well, that's a coordinate. And this coordinate is -4, 27. Same thing over here. Now look at that. We have 2 values, 2x and 2y. So what can we find from that? You guessed right, we can find the slope. And plugging in the values according to our slope formula, we get something like this, and this evaluates to -21 over 7. That's -3. So our slope is -3. Now that we have a point and we have our slope, what can we use next to eventually get to the y equals mx plus b format? We can use the point slope form. So it's a little bit easier for us. I'm going to go ahead and use this purple point because again, it really doesn't matter. We just need a point that's on our graph, in this case the secant line, and the slope. Now if we want to get y equals mx plus b, all we have to evaluate for is y equals. Just get this by itself. Of course, we need to distribute here. That gives us -3x plus 9. And then last but not least, if we add the 6 to cancel that out, we get y equals -3x plus 15. And there we have it, is y equals -3x plus 15. I hope this quick little math tutorial helped you. I would be thrilled to hear from you down below.